Today I'm going to show you a couple wood projects that you can get built in under an hour. Let's stop talking and let's start building. For these projects, you're going to grab a fence picket. These run about $3 or $4 at Lowe's and they're super easy to work with. All right, we're going to make 2 pieces at 4 inches long. Then using a miter saw or jigsaw, we'll make those cuts. Now we'll get our square back and we'll measure it 4 inches width-wise. Then we'll cut that. Check out my last video on how to make that. All right, now we're gonna give both of these a nice massage to make everything flat and smooth. And they went from looking like this to this. Then we'll use a sander and make a bevel on all the sides. And this can also be done with a router, but I don't have one on hand right at the moment. This is optional, but I'm just going to add some butcher block conditioner to pop the grain out a little bit more. Now you know how to turn fence pickets that are going to be sitting in your backyard into beautiful coasters. Let's get on to the next project. All right, to get started for our next project, we're going to grab the rest of that fence picket and cut a piece at 7 inches. Then we'll just do the same sanding routine that we did with the coaster. After that's done, we're going to pull over on one corner a 1/2 inch. Push that mark from the bottom. Then we'll do the same thing on the opposite corner. Then on those marks, we'll drill a 7/16 inch hole. And we're not going to go all the way through with it. We're only going to go down about 1/4 inch. All right, now you're going to want to find a 7/16 wooden dowel, or a handle of a brush works just as well. Then we'll just put them in the holes. Give them a little tap tap. Any guesses yet? All right, now you're gonna want to find a piece of hardwood. This is a piece of black walnut and it's about 8.5 inches long, and that's about perfect. All right, now we're gonna cut something out that looks a little like this. Then we'll clean it up on the double. Don't be shy to make this thing bulky, because you'll see why in a second. Then we'll grab a slightly larger drill bit, and then drill all the way through on each side of the wood. Once that guide bit gets all the way through the wood, then you can flip it over, get the guide bit back where it was, and we keep drilling with no bust out. And now this piece should fit perfectly right on here and slide loosely down, just like that. We'll give all the pieces a little massage. All right, there we go. Now the wind will never blow away your napkins. Well guys, I hope these 2 projects encourage you to go out in your shop and build something out of the materials you already have. These projects were super easy and very customizable. You can put branding and logos on these coasters, and you can play around with all the different species and put different edges on the wood. These 2 projects were super easy to make, and I hope you enjoy this video. If I see more videos just like this, I have over 100 videos of woodworking right here. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.